testing, I'm just suggesting you and I might not be the best thing. Exit, somehow I guessed it right. Alright, but I still want you. Don't mean to taunt you. If you leave now, I'll come back and haunt you. You'll remember, return to sender now. I just wish we could go back one more time and begin it back before I lost myself somewhere in it. I've been stuck now so long. I just got to start on one more last try. I'ma get the ending right. You can't stop this, and I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. Stuck now so long. I just got to start from no more last place. You better get your story straight. You can't stop this, and I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. Still need ya. Don't mean to tease ya.